Welcome back to Code to Cortex. So today we will be doing using custom fields in Looker Explores lab. Click Start Lab. Next, open the Looker in incognito window. इसके बाद हमारे पास Looker का इंटरफेस खुलेगा जिसमें हमें ईमेल एंड पासवर्ड इनपुट करना है. तो फॉर ईमेल input the username and for the password input the password from here. Click login and Looker का आईडी यहाँ पे लोड हो जाएगा. नाउ ऑन टू द टास्क 1. हमें सबसे पहले डेवलपमेंट मोड में एंटर करना है. सो क्लिक ऑन दिस. इससे पूरी वेबसाइट रिलोड होगी एंड डेवलपमेंट मोड में लुकर फिर से ओपन होगा. नेक्स्ट, from explore we have to select e-commerce training and go to order items. Now expand the inventory item, then click more next to the cost dimension. And then select aggregate to average. Now in the custom fields, click add and then select custom measure. From field to measure, select cost. From inventory items, from measure type, set it to average. Then set the name to average of cost. Then for field details, enter US dollars and decimals too. Then click save. So now we have two average of cost custom fields and we have to select just the bottom one to add it to query. So let's select this bottom one. Next we have to select the product name from inventory. Select it, click it. Then expand the users. Now for country to click this filter by field. The user's country is equal to the value USA. Next, next to state we have to click more and then select group. Now for group name add Pacific Northwest. Is any value is already here. So add this. And then add Washington, copy this, paste it here. Then next, you have to check this and then click save. Now click run. After running this query, we will see this output. Now on to the task 3. Under the custom fields, we have to select the filter by field icon for the bottom average of cost under measures. It is already selected. So let's first remove all of these. Okay, so we don't have to remove it. You have to just set the drop down to 200. Filter by field is greater than 200. Now click run and the output will look like this. Now check my progress again and it is completed. Now on to the task 4, the last task. Under order item sections, click order count to add it to the view. After clicking order count, from the settings on the order count column, click calculations and then percent of column. So here is the order count. Click on settings, then calculations and percent of column. Now let's click run and the output would look like this. Next, check my progress. Now let's wait for it to complete. The assessment is completed. So now we can just end this lab. So congratulations, the lab is complete. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.